Gran Maizal is a rich Mexican corn whiskey. Sweet ancient corn varietals harmonize with delicate notes of cured vanilla bean and pure cacao, finished in porous terracotta vessels. Welcome to the Wolfsden. Today I am mixing an old-fashioned using this premium spirit, Wolfsden style. Begin with a mixing glass and drop in a slice of fresh orange. Measure 3/4 of an ounce of homemade turbinado syrup and add it to the glass. Add a full 3 ounces of Gran Maizal Mexican whiskey. Follow with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, bringing deep spiced notes of clove and cinnamon, and 1 dash of peychaud's, adding anise, cherry, gentian, and saffron. If you're using small Japanese-style dasher bottles, double your dashes. 4 shakes equals 2 standard dashes. Add plenty of bullet ice to the mixing glass. Using my muddler, I am pressing the orange slice and stirring the cocktail simultaneously. Muddling, chilling, and properly diluting the drink all at the same time. Mix rapidly for about 25 seconds until the cocktail is ice cold and well balanced. Into a chilled ice-filled double rocks glass, strain through a hawthorn strainer. This is how legends are poured. Garnish with a sour cocktail cherry, or a maraschino cherry if you prefer, and an additional orange slice. Enjoy, cheers, and if you drink, drink responsibly. For more cocktails, mocktails, syrups, and more, subscribe to the channel and join the Wolfsden community. And please leave a comment below if there's a special cocktail that you would like featured in an upcoming episode. Full recipe in the comment section below. Today I am mixing an old-fashioned using Gran Maizal Mexican corn whiskey.